Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like there's never enough money? Do you dream of a life of financial independence where money serves you instead of the other way around? Welcome to your journey towards financial freedom. This journey may seem daunting, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the steps and strategies that will unlock the door to your financial independence. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting path together. Do you want to achieve financial freedom? Imagine a life where your finances aren't a source of stress, but a tool that can help you realize your dreams. Today, we're going to explore the 10 habits that can bring you closer to this goal. First up is setting specific financial goals. To reach financial freedom, you need to know what it looks like for you. Is it owning a home, living debt-free, retiring early? Define your goals clearly and make them measurable. The second habit is creating a monthly budget. This is your financial roadmap. It helps you to understand where your money is going and how you can better allocate it. A common tactic is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Next, we have paying off high-interest debt. This type of debt can be a huge roadblock on your path to financial freedom. It's like a leak in your wallet that keeps draining your money away, so plug that leak as soon as possible. The fourth habit is enrolling in retirement plans. These are long-term investments that can secure your financial future. Think of them as a safety net for when you're ready to step back from the working world. Our fifth habit is saving for emergencies. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Having an emergency fund gives you a buffer against these unexpected costs. Next up, investing wisely. This habit can help your money grow over time, bringing you closer to your financial goals. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy. The seventh habit is negotiating for discounts. Every penny saved is a penny earned. So, don't hesitate to ask for a better deal when shopping or negotiating contracts. Our eighth habit is staying informed about tax laws and financial news. Knowledge is power, and in the financial world it can also mean more money in your pocket. Next, maintaining property and physical health. Good health can save you money on medical bills, and well-maintained property can prevent costly repairs down the line. Finally, we have the habit of seeking the guidance of a financial advisor. These professionals can provide personalized advice to help you navigate your financial journey. So, there you have it. 10 habits that can lead you to financial freedom. Remember, these aren't quick fixes, but habits to cultivate over time. Start small, stay consistent, and over time, you'll see progress towards your financial goals. To recap, the 10 habits are setting specific financial goals, creating a monthly budget, paying off high-interest debt, enrolling in retirement plans, saving for emergencies, investing wisely, negotiating for discounts, staying informed about tax laws and financial news, maintaining property and physical health, and seeking the guidance of a financial advisor. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights and advice. Here's to your financial success.